How's it going, guys? This is Chris again, your horribly average gamer, and I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to claim your 25% off links on the Oculus and MetaQuest. So if you watching my videos in VR, they will have a link for each individual game and a general link, which is the bio.link/horribly. If you click on it, it'll take you to this page where it has links for all the individual games if you click the general link. So let's say you want to buy Drunken Bar Fight for your Oculus or MetaQuest. So you'll click on that individual link. It should take you to the Oculus/MetaQuest store, and you'll have a link here. See how it says my name? It's my link for you guys, for friends, where you get 25% off. Once you claim this discount, it expires in 7 days, so you have to buy it within the 7 days that you claim it. There's no limit on how many times or how many people can claim it, so go ahead and claim it. You like the game, you want to play it, you want to try it out, claim it. You see? Well, I already claimed it, so I can't do it. But once you do that, guys, it'll take you to the store. I believe it puts the game in your cart, and your discount will be applied there. Alright, guys? See you in the next one.